Hi, I'm Crawford from EFI. We're here at the WXTV lab. Today we're demonstrating some two-part foam. What we have here is a small 200 board foot kit. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to open up both the valves completely open. They're both wide open now. I'm going to demonstrate, just spray a little foam and make sure that I have two equal streams of foam coming out of the end of the gun. Okay, that looks good. I'm just going to wipe off the end of the nozzle here. And I'm going to put a tip on here. First we'll start out with the cone spray tip. Here we have the cone spray nozzle. Basically this is going to spray a cylindrical pattern. And we'll show you what that looks like. We'll just go around and do a little picture frame of this. Notice that the foam is starting to expand. It's also giving off heat while it's doing it. Here at the WXTV lab we have a prop. They have the plastic on the back. This is a reusable prop. Typically we won't have an application where the plastic would be on here for better adhesive. They've built a little basement application here as well where we have a rim joist application. We'll just show you the proper technique of properly air sealing a rim joist. We're going to make sure that we get all the seals nice and covered. We're going to come down and overlap a little bit and come back in and fill in. We air sealed where the mud seal meets, where the most air would actually leak into the home. Next we'll just demonstrate filling in one of these stud cavities, a knee wall application. I have on the fan spray tip. This will just obviously spray a fan pattern for filling in larger areas. You don't want to spray the first layer too thick. You can always come back and spray subsequent layers after the fact. Typically we'd always recommend wearing proper personal protective equipment, and so you can hear me, I wasn't able to wear a respirator. And today, for demonstration purposes, we have a well-ventilated area. One of the most important things with any foam product is it has to be up to proper temperature to cure properly. That range is between 70 and 90 degrees. Anything lower, the foam product might not mix properly in the nozzle. It'll come out at a different consistency with the lower temperatures. You definitely want to keep the winter time in mind, pre-plan with how you want to keep these things warm. The manufacturer actually sells a heated blanket bag type apparatus. A lot of the agencies are using this in the mud sill box area, rim joists, knee walls, anywhere that's a real problem area to insulate properly, attic air sealing, things like that, any penetrations. Notice that we just sprayed this and it's already setting up, it's stiffening up. It sets up in a matter of minutes. This side is already cured. We just sprayed this maybe about 5-10 minutes ago. Even with the plastic behind there, it's still tough to even rip it out. Just wanted to point out the fact that if you stop spraying foam for say 30 to 45 seconds, you're going to have to change the nozzle each time. So you want to try to get everything set up as well ahead of time as you can. What I'm doing every time is just kind of wiping off the face of the gun here and putting a new nozzle, a fresh nozzle on there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to spray one last rim joist here. Kind of picture framing it, and then we'll make sure we come over and hit the mud sill area as well. And we can always go back in and fill in the rest with a fan spray nozzle, or you could just go back with this nozzle as well.